everyone. Terrence from Super Flow Games here, and I got my dad, and we're going to be tasting this awesome pizza we made
together. Okay, hello everybody. With my sons, Petit Matelot, we will taste a pizza, two pizzas we make together. He made his pizza and I made mine. Okay, can you remind all the ingredients we use for this pizza? For those pizzas.
Pizza crust,
for mine. First.
Olive oil.
We put olive oil.
Basil.
First. Basil. Yeah, basil. Dry basil.
And Daddy's special shiitake.
Yeah, I put some shiitake on mine. Yeah, in mine.
Sausages, cheese, pepperoni, and bacon.
Yeah, you forget the tomato sauce.
Oh yeah, tomato sauce.
Okay, and yours, there's no shiitake in yours because you don't like
spicy
stuff. Okay, let me cut it for you. Okay.
And if you want more awesome videos like this, please make sure to like here and subscribe to Gaspard Cuisine.
Yes. Thank you.
And also make sure to subscribe to Super Flow Games too.
Yeah. The channel of Petit Matelot is Super Flow Games on YouTube. Okay? Make sure you subscribe to his channel too. You will find awesome game he made. He made by himself.
I just make them.
Yeah, you made them in Roblox because you study coding. You know how to code.
Okay. I don't make the games I play, but I am trying to make some.
Yeah, you make some. Okay.
And also I'm more advanced at scratch coding.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, let's taste a pizza. Mine is awesome. I love the taste of the shiitake. You know, I like shiitake. A shiitake I made. Now, let me show you the pizza of Chef Gaspard. Wait a moment. Here, the pizza of Chef Gaspard. Not the pizza. The shiitake of Chef Gaspard. You see it? The shiitake. And I have pickles too. Onion. Pickles. Okay? If you want to taste my awesome shiitake, please DM me. If you're in Canada, I can send it to you all over Canada. Okay? Especially people who are in Ottawa like me. But if you are in Montreal and all over the Canada, I can send it.
You remember how big Canada is?
No problem. There's connection between all Canada. So, what do you think of your pizza? Mine is awesome. I like the taste of, especially the taste of the shiitake.
It is really good.
Very good. Great. You are a pizzaiolo now. You are a pizzaiolo. Pizzaiolo is the people that can make pizza. You made it by yourself. Now you are ready to make pizza by yourself without supervision. If you have all the ingredients, you can make the pizza, right?
Okay.
It's Friday night. It's pizza time at Gaspard's house. With Petit Matelot. So this morning you tried to make pizza with with bread.
Yeah.
How was it? How was it this morning when you tried to make the pizza with the slice of bread?
Yeah.
Oh, was it? Was it good? Not as good as this. Right? With Petit Macro, we made a lot of, not a lot. We have few recipes together. We already made pizza together. We already made chicken together. And what we made together in my channel. Whatever. We have some recipe together. So just search on the channel, you will find all the recipe we made together. And don't forget to subscribe to Petit Matelot channel. It's called Super Flow Games.
Link in the description below.
Okay, I will put the link below. In the description, you will find the link of Petit Matelot channel. C'est super bon. You'll be able to eat all this pizza? You'll be able to eat all the pizza? The whole pizza? You will try, or you're sure you will be able to eat all?
I will try.
Okay. Petit Matelot called this pizza super pizza. It's made with sausage, the basic of pizza, of course, the dough, the tomato sauce, and we add sausage. Yeah, we add the meat of the sausage. In mine I put some sheet thigh and bacon, and at the top I put some pepperoni. And it's awesome.
Wait, is it possible to like make a pizza with the same ingredients as this one, but you only use the microwave?
Yeah, you can make it in the microwave.
That means I can make pizzas by myself. I just need to be able to use the dough.
Yeah. Okay. I have some extra dough here. I can give you some extra dough to make your own pizza. Okay?
Thanks.
Okay. People, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you to subscribe to Petit Matelot Super Flow Game channel 2. And we'll see you next time for another testing of our recipes. Okay?
Okay.
Bye bye.